How to fix Stalker 2 cost of hope not launching, crashing on your device. For this first step, restart your device, close the application, restart your device. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step, click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click display settings, click graphic settings. Under advanced graphic settings, disable hardware acceleration GPU schedule. It's important settings, you need to disable it. If enable means you need to disable it. Once disabling after, close it, then move on with next step. Search for device manager, click display adapters and check the drivers present. Once checking after, you need to go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. So these are the official website of the drivers. I have AMD and Nvidia. So depends on the device, it may vary. So you need to check first. Once checking after, you need to go to the official website, download and install it. This is one method. And the next method, right click, click update driver. This is the second method. And the next method, if you having the application, means you need to go to the application and check for update. So these are the three methods to update the drivers. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Select the drive. You need to select DirectX shader cache. Select it and click OK and click delete files. Successfully deleted. Then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, click graphic settings, scroll down. Search for Steam. The GPU preference, it depends on you can set, depends on your device. That is high preference, power saving and let window decide. The optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. If the application is not having means you need to add the applications. Go to C drive, program files, Steam apps, you get the Steam apps. Then move on with next step. You need to add it. Once adding after, you need to check the GPU preference and optimization of the window game. Then move on with next step. Open task manager, click startup apps. If more number of startup apps are enabled means sometimes the error will occur. So you need to disable the application which you are not need. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. It's important settings. If you are not aware means don't disable the application. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click advanced. Under performance click settings. Click advanced. Under virtual memory click changes. Enable automatic manage paging file size of all drives. Enable it and click apply and OK. Once complete after, click restart now. After restart, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application, you need to click allow another app. Click it. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Search for Steam folder. Click it. Scroll down and search for Steam. Click add in the bottom side. And enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Once completing after, move on with next step. In the next step, open Steam. Click library. Click the application. Right click it. Click properties. Click install file and click verify integrity of the game file. And wait for some time until you verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient. Wait until it complete. Once complete after, you need to close it. Then restart your device. Thank you.